As indicated by the most recent long jabber figure, Dogecoin cost will hit $0.5 toward the finish of 2024 and afterward $0.7 toward the finish of 2026. Jibber will ascend to $1 inside the extended time of 2035. Jabber value expectation 2024-2025. Dogecoin cost began in Jibber at 8898. Today, Dogecoin exchanged at 0.1173, so the cost expanded by 31% from the jabber of the year. The anticipated Dogecoin cost toward the finish of 2024 is 13th, and the year-to-year change Jibber. The Jibber from today to year-end, plus 11%. In the principal half of Jibber, the Dogecoin cost will move to 14. In the final part, the cost would add a 1 cent and close the year at 15, which is plus 28% to the ongoing cost. Dogecoin Jibber 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring a huge increment. Jibber cost would move from 15 to 32 cents, which is up 113%. Dogecoin will begin 2026 at Jibber, then take off to 18 cents inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at 21. That jabber plus 79% from today. Dogecoin expectation 2031-2035 Jibber. In this period, the Dogecoin cost would ascend from Jibber to 42 cents, which is plus 31%. Dogecoin will begin jabber at 32 and finish 2031 at 32 cents. It is about jabber from today. Jabber. Dogecoin value forecast Jibber. Jabber cost began in 2024 at 8988. Today, Dogecoin exchanged at 1186, so the cost expanded by jabber from the outset of the year. The determined Dogecoin cost toward the finish of 2024 is Jibber, and the year-to-year change plus 45%. The ascent from today to year-end, jabber. In the primary jabber of 2025, the Dogecoin cost will move to 14. In the final part, the cost would add 1 and close the year at 0.15, which is plus 26% to the ongoing cost. Dogecoin expectation jabber. These 5 years would bring a huge increment. Dogecoin cost would move from 15 cents to 32 cents, which is up jibber. Dogecoin will begin 2026 at 15 cents, then take off to jabber the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at 21s. That jabber plus 77% from today. Dogecoin forecast 2031-2035 Jibber. Jabber. Dogecoin value forecast 2024-2025 Jibber. Dogecoin cost began in 2024 at Jabber. Today, Jibber exchanged at 0.1055, so the cost expanded by 17% from the start of the year. The estimated Jibber cost toward the finish of 2024 is 0.14, and the year-to-year change plus 56%. The jabber from today to year-end plus 33%. In the primary portion of 2025, the Dogecoin cost will move to 15s. In the last part, the cost would add but 1 cent and close the year at 60 cents, which is plus 52% to the Jibber cost. Dogecoin Jibber 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring in jabber. Dogecoin cost would move from 16 cents to 22 cents, which is up 38%. Dogecoin will begin 2026 at 16 cents. Then take off to jibber inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at 19s. That implies jibber from today. Jibber forecast 2031-2035. In this period, the Dogecoin cost would jabber from 22 cents to 29 cents, which is plus 32%. Dogecoin will begin 2031 at 22 cents. Then at that point, take off to 23 inside the main portion of the year and finish jabber at 24. It is about jabber from today. Jabber. Jibber value expectation 2024-2025. Dogecoin cost began in jabber at 0.898. Today, Dogecoin exchanged at 994, so the cost expanded by jabber from the very start of the year. The gauge Dogecoin cost toward the finish of jibber is 0.357, and the year-to-year change plus 51%. The jabber from today to year-end plus 36%. In the primary portion of 2025, the Dogecoin cost will move to 429. In the last part, the cost would add 0.71 and close the year at 15.0, which is 51% to the Jibber cost. Dogecoin Jibber 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Dogecoin cost would move from 50 to 26.4, which is up jabber. Dogecoin will begin 2026 at 15 zeta, then take off to 1838 inside the initial a half year of the year and finished Jibber at 1759. That jabber plus 77% from today. Dogecoin forecast jabber. In this period, the jabber cost would ascend from 2064 to 2878, which is plus 39%. Jabber will begin 2031 at 2064, then take off to 2171 inside the main portion of the year and finish 2031 at 0.2301. It's about Jibber from today. Jibber. Dogecoin value forecast Jibber. Jibber cost began in 2024 at 0.898. Today, Jibber exchanged at 0.288, so the cost expanded by 14% from the very start of the year. The anticipated Dogecoin cost toward the finish of Jibber is 15, and the year-to-year change plus 67%. The Jibber from today to year-end plus 46%. In the principal half of 2025, the Dogecoin cost will move to $16. In the final part, the cost would add 3 cents and close the year at 0.19, which is plus 85% to the Jibber cost. Dogecoin expectation 2026-2030 Jibber. These 5 years would bring an increment. Dogecoin cost would move from 19 cents to Jibber, which is up 84%. Dogecoin will begin 2026 at 19, then take off to 23 cents inside the initial a half year of the year, and finish 2026 at Jabber. That implies Jabber from today. Dogecoin forecast Jibber. In this period, the Dogecoin cost would ascend from Jabber to 0.49 cents, which is plus 40%. Dogecoin will begin 2031 at 35 and finish Jibber at 35. It's about Jibber from today. Jibber. Dogecoin value Jabber 2024-2025. Dogecoin cost began in 2024 at Jibber. Today, Dogecoin exchanged at Z1163, so the cost expanded by 29% from the Jabber of the year. The determined Dogecoin cost toward the finish of Jabber is 66 cents, and the year-to-year change plus 78%. The Jibber from today to year-end plus 38%. In the main portion of 2025, the Dogecoin cost will move to the 17. In the final part, the cost would add 3 cents and close the year at Jibber, which is plus 72% to the ongoing cost. Dogecoin expectation 2026-2030 Jibber. These 5 years would bring in Jabber. Dogecoin cost would move from 20 cents to 38, which is up 90%. Dogecoin will begin 2026 at 20, then take off to 25 inside the initial a half year of the year, and finish 2026 at Jibber. That implies Jibber from today. Dogecoin Jibber 2031-2035. In this period, the Dogecoin cost would ascend from 38 cents to Jabber, which is plus 37%. Dogecoin will begin Jibber at 38 cents and finish 2031 at 38. It is about Jibber from today. Jibber. Dogecoin value Jibber 2024-2025. Dogecoin cost began in 2024 at